In a Boston courtroom, a 2-week bench trial is underway over the Trump administration's controversial attempt to deport foreign-born individuals for pro-Palestinian activism. The lawsuit, brought by the Knight First Amendment Institute at Columbia University on behalf of academic associations and university chapters, argues the administration's actions violate free speech protections under the First Amendment. The case centers on whether political beliefs can justify deportation. Plaintiffs say the administration is weaponizing immigration law to silence dissent, using ideology as grounds for punishment. Ramya Krishnan, arguing for the plaintiffs, called the policy unconstitutional and likened it to authoritarian tactics, stressing it could set a dangerous precedent for civil liberties. Defending the policy, federal attorneys cited a provision in the Immigration and Nationality Act allowing deportation if an individual undermines U.S. foreign policy. The administration claims it is safeguarding national interests, particularly against anti-Semitic activity masked as activism. Officials deny any constitutional violations, emphasizing that national security trumps free speech for non-citizens. The case comes weeks after Columbia graduate Mahmoud Khalil was released from detention. He was among several activists reportedly targeted for speaking out on Palestinian issues. Trump has labeled student protesters as terrorist sympathizers, drawing criticism from free speech advocates and academic groups. The plaintiffs seek a court order declaring the deportation threats unconstitutional and halting enforcement of the policy. They argue the crackdown is part of a broader agenda to suppress political opposition under the guise of national security. Presiding over the trial is U.S. District Judge William Young, known for prior rulings against the Trump administration. In opening remarks, he questioned the government's vague interpretation of free speech protections, signaling that constitutional clarity will be central in his decision. As the trial unfolds, the stakes extend beyond immigration law, potentially redefining the balance between national security and First Amendment rights in the U.S.